Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Patreon login issues. If you can't sign in, the page keeps loading, your password isn't working, or Google login fails, yeah. Don't worry, these are common problems, and there are a few simple fixes you can try step by step in 2026. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable network can stop Patreon from loading properly or block login requests. Next, make sure you're entering the correct email and password. I mean, sometimes it's just a small typo, or caps lock is turned on without noticing. Now try using Google or Apple sign-in if you used that method before. Yeah, this can instantly bypass password issues. If that still doesn't work, click Forgot Password and reset it. You'll receive an email link to create a new password. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. I mean, old stored data can sometimes break login sessions or block authentication. Now disable browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools. Yeah, these can interfere with login scripts and prevent access. If nothing works, try another browser or device. Switching from desktop to mobile or Chrome to Firefox can help identify the issue. Finally, check if Patreon is experiencing downtime. Yeah, sometimes the issue is on their side and you just need to wait for it to be fixed, and that's basically it. These are the best ways to fix Patreon login issues in 2026. Hopefully you're back into your account now. Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Patreon login issues.